Hello everybody, my name is Megan, and I will be showing you how to get a guy to kiss you and then what to do. Since I am, I just got guys coming at me, I can't just choose one because then that would make them angry. So I will be using this dog. Okay, first step to do when you have the guy, this is the guy. When you have him, to get his attention, you pick him up by the head. This will be like, to him, this would be like, this girl is very attractive and I want to kiss her. After that, you Hulk smash him to the ground. He will now realize that you want to kiss him, and he will be like, oh my gosh, I want to kiss her so badly. And then, after you've done that step, the third step is to just grab him by the face again, grab him by the neck, and be like, if you don't kiss me, I will kill your family. Okay, I know this seems quite over the top, but it works. It works. And then, after you've done that step, he's like, I want to kiss this girl so badly because she is so attractive and her emotions just draw me towards her to kiss her. Okay, now you're in the right place. So, now is on to the techniques. First, you have to grab him by the ear. Grab him by the ear again, and then bird feed him. For those of you who don't know what bird feeding is, it's pecking, but in a quite evil manner. I will demonstrate. So you grab him by the ear and then you're like, ah, he's like, oh my gosh, this girl's amazing. He wants to kiss you like forever now, so what are you supposed to do? Yeah, kiss him some more. But you don't want to be doing the same old thing, so just grab him by the man junk and then like twirl him around and like you bird feed him and you're like, ah, that's what you do. He will now want to marry you and be with you forever. And if he doesn't, he's gay. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. And you will want to watch some of my other videos because this video has been so well for you. And you must have like millions of men lining up to marry you. So why don't you check out some of my other videos?